So you're thinking about moving to the Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas area or one of the surrounding areas? Well, today in this video, we're going back to Aledo, Texas, which is just a few minutes west of downtown Fort Worth. In this video, we're going to showcase a beautiful new construction home in Walsh Ranch. Walsh Ranch is an amazing place. We're featuring GFO Home today. We'll take a tour of the development and show you where we are on the map. But stick around until the very end because I've got a really amazing offer to show you. We've worked some things out with Builder that you need to see. So stick around to the end. Hi, I'm Tom Davis with EXP Realty. Hey, if this is your first time to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and ring that little bell. That way you can be one of the first ones notified so you can learn everything there is to learn about living in Fort Worth, Texas and the surrounding areas. It's what we call where the West begins. My name's Tom Davis. I'm with EXP Realty, and along with our team, we do these videos every single week just to be informative. We want you to learn exactly what it's like to live in the little big town filled with a fascinating history. So whether it's 9 days, 90 days, or 9 months until you're thinking about making a move this way, don't hesitate to give us a call, send us a text, or write us an email. Better yet, set up a Zoom so we can meet face to face. We get calls, texts, and emails from folks just like you every single day, and we really love it. So as I said before, today we're going to be showing you a brand new home. It's a GFO Home is the builders. It's in Walsh Ranch. And as I mentioned before in other videos, you can go back and see Walsh Ranch is an amazing 7,200 acre development. But it's got lakes, it's got hiking trails, miles of hiking trails. It's got a shop, place where you can build stuff in there. It's got a store. It's got first class schools for your children, all kinds of stuff, pools, tennis, all that stuff. I want to skip right ahead to GFO Home because a lot of people haven't heard of GFO. It's a new home builder in Central Texas with communities around Austin and the Dallas-Fort Worth area. The company was created by real estate veterans who have built over 25,000 homes over 2 decades. GFO has unprecedented success, has already built a reputation for its high-end modern homes with a focus on design and versatile floor plans with the best possible upgrades, fixtures, and finishes that you're going to find anywhere. They love to make it easy for you to do business with them. They simplify your experience with top quality homes, hassle-free, streamlined process. They partner with the most skilled contractors and people in the business. They deliver unparalleled customer service tailored to your needs, making your dream home a reality effortlessly. At GFO Home, they're selective about every feature in their homes. They work only with highest rated brands and products and the best suppliers and craftspeople available in the industry. Every member of their team is focused on helping the customer attain the home of your dreams. They empower people that they work with so that you can make the decisions throughout the process to make it streamlined and actually enjoyable. Product is designed for customers who want the best quality in every aspect of their home. Their experience and knowledge, optimized processes, attention to detail, and selectivity ensure the very best home for your money. Every GFO home floor plan is crafted by top architects, blending luxury and flexibility. Their spacious, open layouts are designed to meet the needs of modern families, ensuring comfort and functionality in every detail with a high-end feel. And it is a high-end feel. And at GFO Home, their culture prioritizes teamwork and customer service. Their top-tier craftsmen, support staff, contractors, and trade partners are literally the best in the industry. Throughout the home building process, the entire GFO Home team is there and involved with you, the home buyer, every step of the way. At GFO Home's cutting-edge design center, interior design experts help the homeowner navigate their expansive catalog of options, upgrades to personalize your new home the way you want it. Their experienced consultants guide you from room to room, ensuring every space perfectly fits your family's lifestyle. GFO Home simplifies the entire home building process. Their experts in mortgage can help you save thousands and answer all of your questions. Their insurance partners ensure that you get the best homeowners coverage effortlessly and hassle-free. At GFO Home, they prioritize customer service and satisfaction, ensuring you will love designing and building your brand new home. So I can't wait to show you. I did a walkthrough. We got some video. Let's tour that home right now. Well, okay, that's gonna about do it for us today in this video. I hope you found it helpful, but as I mentioned at the very beginning, if you waited to the end, I've got here in my hands this sheet of paper that is quite amazing. Right now, we're taping this the first part of August 2025. There's what they call GFO Homes Build and Chill Sales Event. 50% off design upgrades up to $100,000 or 4.99% fixed rate for your new home. This is something that they're doing with us, and we're offering it to you. If you give us a call, give us a text, reach out to us, you need to see these homes. They are top of the line and gorgeous, and you can save thousands and thousands of dollars right now. If you'd like more information on moving to our little slice of paradise where the West begins, pick up your phone, give us a shout, give us a text, let us know you want to know more. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and check out some of our other videos. And until next time, we'll see you around town. Take care.